right, boys, last hand. Last hand.
How's your family? How's your mom, Jordan?
You know, family, especially around the holidays, they're just trying to get a buck, trying to get some presents, but what can I do? What about you, Trav? What are you up to these days?
No, looking at internships.
Internships? You serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Good for you.
What are you doing? How's the company doing?
You know. Pretty good.
It's a great product.
It is. Can't complain. It's got me traveling all over the world. Really never thought I'd be doing that, but
Here you are.
yeah, it's great.
Let's play some bets, alright? One's 100, so. You
Go all in. Flip 'em. Three of a kind. That's what I'm talking about. Just like college. Wiping you boys out. Gonna pay for the hookers tonight, probably. Remember those days?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jordan.
I'm gonna go get us a drink.
Yeah.
Celebrate.
That's a good idea.
One drink, one drink.
Company's doing so well, you know.
That it
Good
is, that it is. Fuck's his problem. Let me get the stick up his ass.
He's good.
Hey, we got your favorite vodka. I don't know why the fuck that's your favorite, but there you go.
This better not be that plastic cheap shit.
No, we're
got
big
it.
spenders here, you know.
Well, cheers
Cheers.
to the good life, to the wealth, to what's to come next.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
Perfectly said.
It's
Said
the
it.
great times, boys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Right.
Hold on. I'm sorry, I gotta take this. Yep. Yes. Yeah. Get out on the flight, 10:15. No, we said we'd be there at midnight. It's gonna be a red eye. Okay, but you could have them push that. What do you mean they're not gonna wait for me? You know what? Have the driver come pick me up now. I'll get down the road.
Jordan. For old time's sake, man.
As much as I'd like to party like the old times, one of us gotta be responsible to run this company, you know? Here's what we used to do. Hey, there we go. Cheers. Drink up, fellas. You know I can have a good time sober.
Here you go. All yours.
It's all
You
yours.
guys are
Here you
clowns.
go. Down it. Champ. Jordan.
Come
let's
on.
go.
We know you used to be the
Champ,
biggest
champ,
drinker.
champ.
Yeah.
The champ.
You gotta find the finer things in life. I don't want to drink this cheap
What's
shit.
yours? You want beer here?
Yeah, go get me a fucking beer, alright? You used to be a busboy. You gonna get one or what?
Oh,
How's your sister going? What's she doing? Is she 21? She's 21, right?
Just turned 21. Prime as a peach. She just got into, or she's been going to Boston College, so you know how that is. Drinking, fucking.
get on him.
Hey, what the fuck you doing? Hey!
He's fucking dead.
Dude, no pulse. What did you do? Why did you?
I don't know. I don't know how, okay? I've never done this before. Look, all we needed was the money.
He's dead.
It didn't work out that
I
way.
didn't want to kill him.
We were gonna drug him. That's basically the same thing.
I just wanted the money.
Well, we have it now.
Don't.
Yes, we
Dead.
do.
Don't you think people?
We have the money.
You sure? You sure? Transfer
Yes, I transferred it, okay? Stay with me. It's okay. We just need to deal with the body. We got the money.
Well, if that's the case, give me the phone now. Give me the fucking phone. Travis,
What the fuck are you doing?
Don't even point it.
What are you doing?
Give me the phone.
I'm the one who fucking killed him. What do you think I'm thinking right now? The money was mine.
Toss it. Thank you. Don't fucking move. Stay right there. What the fuck you think you're doing? It's alright. See you later.
Fuck you!